What is Jollibee? Jollibee is a hugely popular fast food restaurant based in the Philippines, specializing in Filipino comfort dishes and fried chicken. It's hugely popular overseas as well as with Filipinos across the United States, and especially those in the Bay Area. I happen to be neither of those things, but I think their mascot is cute as hell, and I think I'm gonna steal it for shits and giggles. We're here at Jollibee. We asked them if we could take pictures of their statue, but they said no, so we're gonna just steal it. So, this is our scan. Pulled from my phone, not my phone, from my phone, not my phone. And you can see it's not perfect. You can see that there's a little bit of like roughness in here. So I have the smooth tool on Blender opened up, and you can see I'm like trying to smooth it out by hand. It's not gonna matter that much because this is the bottom side of the arm, and the printer is gonna kind of make this all look ugly because of the support material anyways. And then you can kind of see that I wasn't able to pick up the bow tie and the wings, so I manually added that in after the fact. And then I'm also gonna give some attention to the booty hole right here. Make it smoother. I'm not gonna do that though. And then under here, make it smoother. So I'm using the smooth tool in Blender. And other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and save it, and then I'm gonna open it in Cura, which is my printing software. So I have Cura open. I have my small fax machine loaded up. And I'm gonna go ahead and import the print and basically see how comically large it is. And this is actually scaled down. So if I want full size, that's actually full scale. Oh, that's full scale. So clearly I'm gonna have to cut this up. In order to do that, I have a software called Mesh Mixer. This is free. And what I'm gonna do is do basically a bunch of plane cuts. So I can go here, plane cut, and you can see I can cut it in a way that will basically allow it to fit better. So, for example, like this, right? I can cut, oh, like this, and that'll give me a piece that I can fit in the printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick and then come back and show you guys what I have left. Well, everything's been cut. I'm gonna go ahead and open everything and kind of just give you an idea of how ridiculous this is. This is basically all the pieces. All the individual pieces we're using for this project. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god damn, this thing's huge. There we go. Obviously I'm not gonna print like this, but I just wanted to prove a point. So, as you can see, it's all sliced up, and we're gonna go print this out of PLA, just because this has no real engineering requirements. We're gonna paint it and send it to the printer. Let's go.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, fucking.
We're so fucking stupid. Oh, he has blush. We forgot about that.
He didn't put the makeup on. Do you want those custom mods? We do it for anything you try. You want your ride to turn heads? This is where it comes alive. If you can imagine it, we can create it. Nothing is impossible with illumaesthetic.